Alright, I think we're live. So, yeah, hello. It's me again, we're doing another code stream, so that's cool. I was thinking of sharing some Garfield Kart and then I got this idea, so we're gonna do this instead. So you read the title. I've been using Zool a lot recently, which is like Mozilla's old UI technology they used to use for Firefox and stuff. And it's pretty cool. I like it. I've been using it for work recently through the UXP fork by the Pale Moon developers. And yeah, I'm a big fan. And I have a project coming up that I think would be pretty cool. That I need to process restream chat for. And there's lots of APIs out and like tools to process chat from YouTube and Twitch separately, obviously. But not just process restream chat. You'd think I could just combine the two, and I probably could, but that seems really messy and like kind of a pain, so instead I'm just going to write my own tool. Start to finish for you. So, yeah, I guess let's get started. It's the first thing I do when I'm processing some sort of HTML data. I don't usually process live data like this. I usually process like static pages and stuff that I could like take offline and then like download and then process, but in this case I'm going to have to process it live, obviously, because, you know, otherwise I won't be able to process chat in real time. So basically, Restream gives you this like nice little embedded chat for like OBS has a browser source, it's called, which is like it embeds Chrome, and you can basically embed chat really simply without having to have a specific OBS plugin. And I think XSplit probably has a browser plugin as well, and everything anyone uses, basically. So what it basically means, though, is that we have a very nice, clean, and trimmed chat right here. I'm gonna move the little chat window. And so we have, I mean, it's pretty lean. And it looks like, here, I'll put in another chat so that we can test it out. Oh, it just I thought it was Boards of Canada, and it just samples it. I just got very confused. Okay, anyway, so it looks like we have this div with the class chat messages. That makes sense, I guess. And then we have a bunch of classes, message item. Message info, which is the user, I guess. Yeah, it has sender. And it has time, that's a hidden span, which is pretty useful. Okay, and then we have text, which obviously tells us text. So that's pretty easy to process, I think, because it's all pretty clearly labeled and predictable. So I think we'll be able to process it. So lately what I've been liking to do to process DOM stuff is I used to use, there's a version of Ceph, like CEF, which is the Chromium Embed framework. It's like what powers Electron and stuff. There's a version of it for Python called Ceph Python, creative naming. And basically I wrote a little browser using that in tkinter, and I would process the DOM of the Ceph Python window. But that was pretty complicated and a bit messy and a little bit annoying to get working. But what UXP allows you to do is actually have an example that does manipulate the DOM. Yeah, I just copied the Zool examples because it's easier than trying to get it working on your own. There's not much documentation available for actually getting started using Zool, unfortunately. Everything available is on Mozdev, but so much of it is out of date and based on using Zool Runner, which doesn't exist anymore. Now instead of Zool Runner, you use Pale Moon or Basilisk. I'm using Basilisk in this case. So anyway, just open up. No, that's not the interesting part. The interesting part is the JavaScript. So if we open up the JavaScript here, we have a bunch of crap that probably doesn't need to be here that I just left in. And then if we look, we can see, so in the Zool, we just have a browser right there. And that's going to be our, by saying content primary, that means that we can load stuff into that basically and then manipulate its DOM. And so that's what I do here. I add a click event to everything in the DOM so that I can detect clicks on elements of an SVG file. And so we have, we get the browser just like you would get an element in HTML. And then we take the content document, which is basically is equivalent to document dot, but for the contents of the browser. And then we can iterate through its children and do stuff that you'd normally expect to do with the DOM. And yeah, you can do something sort of similar with an iframe in a normal web context if the iframe's content is hosted on your server, but you get really complicated with security and stuff. Zool ignores all of that because it's not really, like, using a browser in this way is not something you would do in like an actual web browser. That's just dumb. But it's really useful for our purposes. And so, without further ado, I guess let's get started. Which one? Yeah, we'll clone SVG tool. Just copy it and then get our new app. So, I'll make a little restream chat. Just name something real simple, and then we'll just do the cool guy thing and run restream chat, and then we'll just edit this. Howdy. Howdy indeed. And so then I guess we can get started. Now that I think about it, I could probably delete these. I never actually did it in the other apps because I'm just lazy. Alright. In case you're wondering, by the way, the music in the background is Graham Cartna. Check him out. So, content, we don't need the disk folder. And this should be everything we need, so we can open it all in brackets. And get set up. Main.zool we don't need, because we don't actually use main.zool. I don't know why that's still there. And then we get started. So we don't need, we do need the script, but we don't need these two buttons anymore. Basically, okay, basically we just need the just this, just the browser. And then to actually process the DOM, we don't really need there we go, and we can start pretty much from fresh. Okay, let's get started. So we have our onload handler. Oh, hello. Good. This means we'll be able to test the bot or the app. It's okay. I revealed it. It's for a bot. That's the secret project. Okay, so onload. We won't really do anything, I guess. Source will be. We do need it. We need a button already. Also, this is not up to my standards. So, oh, emotes. I didn't think of emotes. We'll deal with those later. Okay, button ID equals. I don't even need an ID for it, but we'll just call it button. What am I even doing? We don't need that yet. I'm getting ahead of myself. We can just do this in onload. Yeah, so our browser it ID. This is what it's called, right? Yes, okay. So in browser, I'm going to aha. You can see I was looking at this the other day when I was working on the SVG tool. Attributes. Okay, there should be like a navigate, shouldn't there? Load URI, okay. Should be a string, that's okay. So, browser. I'm not smart, man. I did need the button. I should sleep. Alright. Let's try this again. Hbox. And then we need Xbox ID equals friggin' txt restream embed. So that'll be our embed URL. Then we will have a button. Button load embeds. Okay, and then that'll be good for now. Click on the button. Yes, I am going to do a Garfield card string at some point. I was going to do that tonight, and then I got this idea, so I decided to do this instead. Load embed. So browse our browser. You always need to load the browser. URI equals document dot get values txt value. That should get our input value. Okay, and then browser load URI embed URI. There are two other parameters and I forgot what they were. Referrer. It'll probably just work with this. Yeah. Why would that be a problem? It's never a problem. I never have problems with the things I create. Let's try it. It didn't work. No, okay, it was worth a shot. Damn it, I should have kept the... I knew that code would come in handy, that's why I don't delete things. Let me just open this notepad. That's the wrong file again. Open the proper file. Okay, function go. Okay, just do null. Sure, just... That makes sense. Hey, what's your character set? Null. I also love Garfield Kart. I'm number 1 for Zool app. Wow, what a surprise. Who would have thought? Is that what they actually listed my game as? I've checked, but I'm too cool. Am I doing something wrong? This is my job. I should be better at this. Open it up. There's nothing there. Wait. Oh, that was modified. That's why. That's why it wasn't working. Because I broke it. 9-year-old video. That sounds about right for Zool. So now when people search for Zool, they're 100% going to get me. That's pretty cool. Okay, go, yeah. Button is... It's on command? Why is it on command? I thought it should complain more than that. This is still broken. But why? Restream chat. Yeah, URL barred up value. What's this on? Onload. Ernie, who is Ernie Keebler? it's the cookie guy. It's the cookie elf. He can suck my dick too. Okay. Well, now it's time for debugging. because we've already broken it. I'm like William Osmond, except instead of shitty mechanical stuff, I just make shitty software. Yeah, it's getting the right URL. Then why is it not? Is it because the source is listed and it's just like throwing a fucking hissy fit? It's white now. Now it's white. That's progress. But I think it's still broken. Content primary. Did I block cock? Hold up. If cock is blocked, I did not mean to block cock. I say cock all the fucking time. Give me a second. Clock with... Yeah, I wouldn't... Well, now you get to see my stats. I don't even know where you go to block stuff. Cock. There you go. Are you sure you didn't block cock? You're a mod. It seems like something you would do. I bet it's the browser type, because I'm loading external content this time. The cock block made me think of the answer. No, because it doesn't actually block anything from... What's this wrong file? Why is it opening Blender? Alright, this should be... However, this should be Chrome, I believe. No, because it worked fine when I did content primary. You don't cock block. That's very nice of you. Yeah, we don't need to access the Chrome. Why is this being such a tard? Can we just load Google? Is this phenomenally broken? I swear this usually doesn't happen to me. We can't load frickin' Google. Valve, please fix. Valve has nothing to do with this.
What fun it could be.
Is that always broken? No, it's not always broken. No, it's not always broken. It's always been broken. What the fuck is this? This isn't 50 Shades Darker. This is... It's a blog post about Miss America. You lied to me. Alright, where was I? Content. Yeah, this isn't broken. This can't be. Because if this is broken, that's... We have bigger problems. That's not even starting. Why is this happening? Ah, there we go. Oh look, it's Google. Oh, you meant this one. That link doesn't exist. That link is too long to be a bit.ly link. Why did I fall for that? I think I subconsciously really want to see 50 Shades Darker. Is there anything like... No, because that's just a progress listener. We don't need that. Does it work if we... Why does this only happen when I'm streaming? I swear to God. Okay, we're gonna just temporarily paste that in. Then can we see the... I mean, it's not well formed. It's a fucking URL. You're not well formed. You cunt. Oh man, it's a good thing I can't monetize. Escape URL XML string. You shouldn't need to do that. Oh, 50 Shades Freed full.
7, 8.
Paintings may be used to record an important event. Sometimes the greatness of a historical painting or its success.
Wait a sec, that what? I think you're pranking me.
Many traditional watercolor effects, overlaid washes.
Sorry, that's wrong.
This is PHP. I'm not even writing PHP today. Can we just do that? Can we just literally URL encode it? And then it works? I'm gonna say no. What do you know? Guess who's right? Fucking black people. Did I say that loud? Just kidding. Always allow pop-ups. Etsy. Romantic floral curtains. Cool. This is gonna turn into the last stream. Like, no, not the last. The stream before the last stream, when everything got fucked up. That's gonna be this one. That's not a real site. I already got my free Sims 4. Oh, I don't have it installed anymore. I actually did have a pirated copy of Sims 4 on here. You can see it in the last video. EA's on my back now. Alright. Oh. Okay, so on load, we're going to load it in the browser. Apparently I fucked something up. Element ID. Browser. Is it just navigating too quickly? No, because Google didn't work. I just did browser twice. Gotta pay attention. Load URI. Am I really that? Oh my god! Fucking shift, Christian. It's a key. Press the fucking key. Oh, right, I still have the your own code version copied. Phil Phoeben 69. Excuse me, mods, I think we have a chat bot in the chat. Still not loaded. It's not. Is it gonna work now? Well, it worked last time. Thanks, Mod. When it worked last time, it took this long to load. So that's a good sign. Alright, good start. Is it just loading? It's just really fucking slow? That's honestly possible. Oh, I know. There's... Oh god, what was I gonna say? Do we need the web progress listener? Okay, it shouldn't take this long. How long did it take here? Like 7 seconds. Wait, I know. I know what it could be. You know who knows what it could be? Give you a hint. It's Christian. You wait right here. No, no, it works in Pale Moon. Then what the fuck is going on? Pornhub.xyz is a real site. I should probably not visit that on stream. Born the cat. I just read the URL. Oof. 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 It's a good thing that's not real. Source equals... Why is this... Why is this happening to me? It obviously tries. It navigates away from Google. So, like, that means it's working, but it's not working. How did I load the... How would I load the SVG normally? In that case, I'm loading it from a file URI, but... That doesn't matter. That shouldn't matter. Alright, I gotta find my shitty Python version. Built in the husk of what used to be the example application for Ceph Python. Anime Rule 34. Fuck! Darn European Union. Right, anyway. So now... There we go. I have it in my Google Drive, don't I? Alright, my Google Drive's a little bit dangerous, but I'll risk it for you. No, I won't. I know for a fact there's some questionable content in there, so we're just gonna... Just for a sec. Do this while I quickly download this code. As far as I know there's some things you can't see on here. Okay, it's fine. You can't make out what they are. We're back. Okay, where is it? Why am I opening all of these? What do I expect to happen? This is sorted by name, that's why I can't find anything. Yes, here it is. Yes, download anyway. Alright, I found it. I found it. Oh, okay, we have to tread very carefully in my folders here. Very carefully. It's like landmines. But the landmines are porn. And other things I cannot show on YouTube. That better not be taken. Thank fuck. I saw what you were doing. It downloaded incredibly fast. Go Google. Don't dwell too much on these. Don't worry about it. Family-friendly content. And please don't steal this. This is how I get into pics of bread. If I lose that, I lose the ability to manage the site. So. What else do we have in here? Beware. PTM ROMs. Porn.web. Hey, nice try, Travis. .web isn't a real TLD. And if it was, I guarantee that would be a site. Yeah, in case you hadn't noticed, the web scraper has built an entire Python tree because I had to give it to a client. Alright. Okay, I think in run.bat it should tell me what the actual file is. It's test web view. Well, that's descriptive. Alright. Oh god, I remember this. This is garbage. Utter fucking garbage. Okay, not this part. I didn't write this part though. Not pornweb.net. At this point I feel like I'm playing Russian roulette. I'm gonna stop reading the links. You're gonna like get me to stop reading the links and then you're just sticking fucking Pornhub and I'm gonna get banned. Oh right, it was scriptable. Yeah, I was smarter than I thought. For pulling active campaign content. And look through the start tags for something with that. Okay, this isn't as bad as I remember. There's gonna be a pain in the ass to adapt properly, but it's doable. Oh, that's connecting. Oh. Oh god, this is a software company. They thought, it's an Italian software company. They thought to themselves, you know, it's a good domain name. SoftPP. SoftPP.com. Okay. You know, I knew there's a reason I wrote this. I'm a pretty smart guy, gotta admit. Alright, restream.py, here we go. Yeah, this is normally a web scraper, but I'm sure we can... Ooh. Nope. I'm sure we can modify this because we step. I remember this script. I wrote it in like literally 40 minutes before I left to the client's house. Right, so what we want to do is this. And then we don't even really need to get the href stuff. Yeah, I used to use regex to parse HTML, don't worry about it. Hard PP. That one is not an Italian software company. Okay, so I've got it. So we're looking for the class attribute. So we are on the right track. Okay, with class dot if value Chris website. If that's not taken, you've just bankrupted me. If value dot sorry, if chat messages in value, then print it. World for you, internet services. Fuck you, World for you. He took my website. Damn it, Karen, you took the kids. Alright, see if this still works. I remember occasionally this would just randomly crash. Oh, yeah, I forgot about my icons. I drew these in Paint in like 20 seconds because I need it to look presentable. It's a little snake below the script. Okay. Alright, Karen took the kids.com. Yeah, I need you to spam the chat, actually. I need you to spam the chat so that we can... Actually, no, we don't need you to spam. Well, I'll need you to spam the chat in a bit. So hold your horses right now. Wait, how did this work before? Am I just retired? I think I am just retired. Yes, that's why. Wait, when do I process the HTML? Yes, that's how. Okay. You know what's really nice? Commenting your code. You know what's really cool? When I actually do that. See, now we're actually doing something. Okay, script's broken. Expected an indented block. Why? It is fucking indented. Oh. Oh, it's because I'm a bad person. Oh god, I gotta catch up. Wiener Bros. Nope. Egg tutorials. Nope. No that site. Nope. God, start guessing properly. Okay, let's try this again. So we need to go to restream. No, that's not It's not restream, it's like all of my code. Nice. Oh, you know what? I can't control A. So, how's the wife? How are the kids, other than them getting taken by Karen? Alright, here we go. That better not. Thank God. I knew it. I knew it. I'm the premier... Pixabread.com is the premier bread pictures site. Alright, and nobody's gonna take that from us. Oh! Oh, that's not good. Oh. You're welcome. Alright, fucking print visited. Why is it just printing a fuck ass of garbage? I'll come out with OG Pixabread in a bit, okay? Chill out. The way this parser works is really frickin' dumb. Jesus Christ, who wrote this? Who wrote this garbage? Seriously, who was it? I don't know. I didn't write it. I actually didn't. Restream. Class equals message item. That's what we're looking for. Fuck yeah. Okay. So now that works. My stream froze. Ah. How so? Yeah, restream's acting funny. Going overload. Why is my CPU so high? Holy fuck. Holy fuck, why is that so fucking... What is subprocess IEC? Alright, we're back. No, you didn't get banned. It's just having issues. I don't know if you can hear me. Alright. I restarted the stream. Hopefully it's working again now. That was weird. Anyway. Okay, so... Alright, so now that we're back... Ah, cool. Yeah, that was super weird. My CPU shot up to like 100% because apparently this doesn't close the sub-processes. Because I was closing it improperly because I have to close it with the close button on the window, not on the console. Because I'm dumb and I didn't implement the other way. So, that's fine. Self dot... Yeah, we need a init function, don't we? That's all we need, right? Yeah. Alright, self dot equation is 1. True. Why would they do is 1? Alright, so basically what we need to do is figure out when we're going to grab the data, so... Let's do this. And then an end tag. Tag equals sure we want message text, don't we? Is it all JSS9 or is it implement this? Alright, well you have fun watching King of the Hill, sir. And no, kingofthebread.com is not a real thing, apparently. Alright, so I think it breaks it up into multiple spans, so I'm just going to do a div. Thank you for the pardon gift. Now if tag equals div and so recording, then self.recording equals false. And so that should only print the chat messages, I guess. Oh, excuse me. So if we load up, nope, that's not what we need to load up. We need to load up this. And then we can what? Oh, that's fine. So I need to close it this way. It should be nice if it actually closed. Is it going to actually close? Yeah, and there it is, doing the thing again. That was weird. Okay. So, let's try this again. So then we got to go to here. Oh yeah. That would do it, wouldn't there? Should really fix that bug. That would be smart. Well, that's how we do it. Okay. Like this. Like that. And then we can do this. Load it up. Load up the script. Oh yes, because we imported it the other way, right? So we gotta do it that way again. Then we can do it this way. Yeah, why is it recursing so much? Why does this hurt my head? Yeah, so it should just do... We're not using soup. Maybe we don't need to initialize it. It's not actually necessary. I'm thinking because... Yeah, I just don't think we need to. Yeah, it does not work properly. Well, I'm gonna figure this out tomorrow, because I'm getting tired. And I'll probably switch to Beautiful Soup tomorrow, but I'm too lazy to do it tonight. So for now, I'm probably gonna go watch some YouTube or jerk off or something. Thanks for watching the stream.